GEICO is ranked the fourth best car insurance company in the country, known for its affordable rates and that little gecko in the commercials. But does GEICO live up to its billing as one of the most affordable insurers? I'm a licensed insurance producer of MoneyGeek.com, and we've analyzed millions of quotes from almost 80 insurers across the country in every zip code. We've looked at J.D. Power customer satisfaction, complaint rates with the NAIC, customer reviews and personal experiences, and even dug into individual state insurance filings, all to find out what the best car insurance companies in the country are. In this review, I'll show you how GEICO stacks up on cost, coverage options, and customer experience, drawing all the data on the web, not just personal opinions on Reddit. By the end, you'll see that GEICO is a clear winner for some drivers, but that other drivers should hesitate before signing up, no matter what that little gecko says.
It's my job, isn't it? To let people know that GEICO's more than just...
Let's start with the big picture. GEICO is a national powerhouse. It earns a top 5 Money Geek ranking in 31 states and is number 2 in states like Connecticut, Hawaii, and Alaska. In Money Geek's ranking system, GEICO scores a 4.3 out of 5, making it the 4th best insurer nationwide. It scores 2nd for affordability, 7th for covered options, and 8th for customer satisfaction. So GEICO's strength is clear. Price, they even tell you that in the marketing, but is more mixed on coverage options and service. First, let's dig into those prices and how they may differ between certain types of drivers. On average, GEICO charges about $42 a month for minimum coverage and $96 a month for full coverage. That makes it second amongst most major insurers for affordability. GEICO is especially affordable for young drivers or seniors, so people at either end of the age curve, and for those who have a poor credit score. It ranks in the top 3 for all of these categories. The weak spot? Drivers with a checkered record like a DUI or multiple accidents. GEICO is actually more expensive than average with these people. You can head over to Money Geek's GEICO insurance review and actually put in your personal details, such as your driving history, absolutely free, and see how much GEICO might cost for you. Of course, base rates, what you're initially charged, are only part of the story. Like many insurers, GEICO offers a bunch of discounts to keep lowering those rates. And GEICO offers 15 different discounts specifically, which is one of the largest menus of discounts in the industry. The highlight is their DriveEasy telematics program. Telematics programs are those types of programs tracked through your app or device that can save you on your car insurance if you have good driving behavior. But like some things like Progressive Snapshot, those people who are aggressive drivers might not see savings. Other notable discounts include 25% off for multi-car insurance, discounts for government employees or those who work in the military. And those discounts apply when you're getting the quote. And even discounts for your safety features like airbags and passive restraints up to 40% off. Stacking these discounts can make GEICO, already an affordable insurer, an even cheaper option for drivers. Coverage options is where GEICO looks a little more ordinary. Of course, it has all the standard protections like liability insurance and comprehensive and collision, but it might not have as many useful add-ons as other insurance companies. A few of its useful options include emergency roadside assistance, which can help you if your car breaks down, mechanical breakdown insurance, which is like an extended warranty past your own car's warranty, and full glass coverage. But these are the types of things, with the possible exception of medical breakdown, that almost every insurance company, especially major ones, are going to offer you. This is a shorter coverage menu than an insurer like Progressive with a longer list of bells and whistles might offer, but GEICO does offer an affordable option with some limited coverage add-ons if that's all you need. Now let's talk about service. GEICO excels in its online tools. Its mobile app gets a 4.8 out of 5 on the App Store and a 4.5 out of 5 on Google Play. You can manage policies, pay bills, file claims, or even call roadside assistance straight from the app. The buying process is also streamlined. Quotes are quick, transparent, and packed with explanations if you don't understand all the ins and outs of car insurance. But here's the trade-off. GEICO is not an agent-heavy company, so claims can feel pretty impersonal and automated, and more complex claims that do need follow-up from a human, well, that's where the complaints with GEICO arise. So think of GEICO as efficient and digital first, but not for hand-holding. You're not going to get a personal experience here. On forums like Reddit, customers praise GEICO for low rates, fast quotes, and a customer-friendly app. One user said that GEICO saves me over $800 a year compared to State Farm, and the service has been just fine. But negative feedback often mentions rate hikes after accidents and cold and transactional customer service. One forum member said, GEICO handled their claim fast and efficiently, but don't expect them to remember your name the next time you call. The takeaway, GEICO delivers on efficiency, but if you want a more human touch with your insurance experience, especially because you might be in an emergency, you may be left a little cold by GEICO's customer experience. So who should consider GEICO? It's best for young drivers and senior drivers, especially those looking for affordable rates. It's best for those who want a great online experience. And it also has affordable rates for those who have a bad credit score or an older car. GEICO isn't great for those who have a checkered driving history, like a DUI or accidents, or those who prefer a more personal customer experience. GEICO makes the most sense if you're interested in just saving money on your car insurance and having your entire experience put online. So what's the bottom line? GEICO is one of the cheapest insurance companies in the US with a great suite of online tools. It's not the best for coverage options, and service can feel a little impersonal, but for affordability and convenience, GEICO is hard to beat. But as always, the smartest thing to do is compare rates across multiple companies. GEICO is the cheapest on average, not necessarily the cheapest for you. And the cheapest for you could just be a few clicks away. We've linked a free tool in the description to help you compare rates. And before you go, make sure you tap like or hit subscribe to find more about the best and cheapest car insurance companies in the country and put more money back in your wallet.